world, today is Tuesday, October 1st, 2024. This is vlog number 166, and the purpose of these vlogs is to be a public journal and a stream of consciousness documentation of this present moment and this point in time in this life. And what is top of mind? Today I have, today in the morning I did the the gateway process meditation session. Is the introduction to focus 10. It's the second recording, CD1, and I live streamed it, but there was some issue with the streaming software, so I only got like 20 minutes of the roughly 40 minute session. It's really powerful. This is probably like the third time I'm doing these early, like first few sessions, like repetitively. So I've done them a couple times, and every time I do them again, it's like I hear different things. Like it goes in deeper. You have to like do it a couple times in order to really get to really practice it, to really get it. So there's things like, so there's like the box exercise, where you put all of your material worries, anxieties, fears into this box, and then you imagine closing the lid and it moving away. And then you do the resonant breathing exercise, when you breathe in fresh, clear air through your nose into the top of your head with it, new energy, and then you breathe out stale old energy from your whole body. And as you breathe out, you hum with your vocal cords to resonate with the sound that you hear. Like that. And then there's the focus 10 exercise, in which you go through all of your body, and your body relaxes and goes to sleep while your mind is fully awake. And it starts with like relaxing your jaw, then relaxing parts of your face, and then going through your different body parts and saying to them with your brain, relax, let go, sleep. It's amazing. I love this. I love this exercise. So you start with the jaw, then with your forehead, your cheeks, your nose, your eyelids, your scalp, back of your head. All these parts, you ask them to relax, and you ask them to go to sleep. And then you're asked to touch the back of your neck, which will allow you to return to the state of relaxation instantly. And then another point is you touch the center of your forehead. And then when you do that, you're able to remember perfectly anything that you want to remember from your life that's important to you. And then there is another trick to hooking in, returning to the state instantly, and that's through imagining the number 10, breathing in, imagining the number 10 in a circle, and then breathing out the circle. 10. And that will instantly bring you back to the state of focus 10. And you don't have to say 10 out loud, you just say it to yourself in your mind. And then in order to return to waking consciousness, to wake your body, all you have to do is think of the number 1 and move the fingers on your right hand. I'll do that now. And then you're able to instantly return. So that was intro to focus 10. It's amazing. I loved it. So I'm going to continue with these sessions. Then I went to the cafe. I did some light work. The Wi-Fi was terrible at the cafe. I think there was just a lot of people there, and so then I went to the gym. I did a regular workout. It was about 30-40 minutes, and then I came back here. I warmed up some food and checked my banking, did some did some baking, and now I'm here, and I have some goals for today. Usually I start the day with a gratitude practice, which includes, maybe I mentioned this on this channel before, but it includes going through what I'm grateful for in my personal life, 3 things in each category: in personal, professional, and for myself. So I do that in my mind. And actually, I think I would like to write those down, because if you just think it's all right, but if you actually write it down in a notebook or on a document, it's really much more powerful. That would make a great app. Yeah, I love that. I should just make that app. So, and then I do a segment intending exercise, which I divide my day into segments, and then I think to myself, wouldn't it be great if I did X, if X happened? And I kind of like picture myself doing that. So I strongly believe in the power of visualization. You know, all like world-class athletes, they do have a visualization exercise. And like, if you want to be a top of your game, if you just want to be effective, I think having an exercise of practice of visualization is key. So I visualize myself like today sending out this email that I needed to send out, and to visualizing myself submitting an update to one of my apps, to the App Store, that has some features that I've been wanting to implement. So I just visualize myself sending that update, and then getting a reply that it gets accepted, and being excited about that, and then seeing the update on the App Store and trying it out myself and using it. And like that's my goal for today. Today's Tuesday, and I also have some secondary goals, like ideating and planning. I've been really ideating and planning and thinking a lot about like personal brand and like creating like more YouTube content that's more designed to go to reach a broader audience and to provide more value to more people. So this is something that like you know, you requires that step from when you go from idea to action. And so I've been like brainstorming about this, and I have a couple other projects that are high priority. Another high priority thing is High Frequency Highway, which had a sprint planning session yesterday, and there is a number of things here that are on the agenda, on the to-do list. Adding notifications for affirmations, so that you get your affirmations sent to you, and a couple other things. So next also is the Manifestly app, and I just realized like it's really, if you want to grow, if you want to make progress, it's about like shipping frequency, your shipping speed. And that means like you should not be spent building too complex things, but keep them really small and just put them out there and watch how people react, and just keep that cycle. And so that means like trying different things, looking for what is the need, the market need, how you can fill it. So that's the space where you really make progress, and when you grow is when you iterate in public. So it's like you build something no more than a week, ship it, put it out there, make a post about it, and repeat. So for this week, my goals are High Frequency Highway new update, and In-Light Meditation app new update, and Manifestly first launch, and Offline LLM a new update. So a lot of things. All right, ending it here.